This 3-in-1 BBOT can be converted into gauge detector, line follower, and now is the time to convert this BBOT into an obstacle detector. For this obstacle detector operation, here we had converted both the left sensor and right sensor facing outside the robot. That means this sensor will be detecting the object. And the same as in the previous examples, both the sensors are connected to the respective connectors, left connector and the right connector. Now let us switch on this BBOT and check how it works as an obstacle detector robot. Now connect the DC connector associated with the battery with the DC connector in the BBOT. Before connecting the power supply, both the switches, power switch and the motor switch in the off position. After connecting this battery power, let us switch on the power switch alone. Now you can see a bright white LED shows that battery has the enough power. And the left hand side of the BBOT, here you can see 3 LEDs blinking, red one, blue one and the green one. After connecting the power, if these 3 LEDs are not blinking, please reset the controller for once. Now the blinking starts. Even after pressing the reset switch, if the blinking is not there, kindly change the battery. Now it's a time for converting this 3-in-1 BBOT as an obstacle detector. For this, I am going to use the support of these 3 connectors, 1, 2, 3, and the center one is R select. Left hand side is labeled as 1, right hand side is labeled as 3, and the bottom side is labeled as 2. The center one is labeled as R select. Now take a jumper, connect it to the upper center one end and another end to the connector labeled as 3. Once you had connected this connector, you can see the status of the 3 LEDs has been changed. Now the only red LED is on. If the red LED is on means it shows that now your BBOT has been converted as an obstacle detector. Now it's time to switch on the motor switch. Once it is on, you can see both the wheels are rotating in the front direction. Whenever you are keeping your hand or any obstacle has been reached, now the motor stops and it will go back for 3 seconds, and the right only left wheel will rotate, the machine will rotate in the left direction. When there is no obstacles, the BBOT will travel in the straight line.